This tutorial is on picking up stitches along the side of a garter stitch piece of work. Here you can see a garter stitch swatch. It has all the nice ridges of garter stitch with the spaces in between. You can see these little spaces leave holes kind of along the edge, and that's where we're going to pick up our stitches. So I'm going to start down here on the corner and just dip right into that corner spot, wrap my yarn around my needle, and pull that loop through. Now I'm just holding the working end of the yarn and tucking the tail behind, dip into the next space, wrap the needle, and pull it through. Dip in, wrap the needle, and pull it through. Dip in right between those two bumps, wrap the needle, and pull it through. I've now added 4 stitches. Dip in, wrap, and pull it through. That's all there is to it. Super easy to do. Dip in, wrap, and pull it through. Fast forward to the last 2 stitches and dip into that very last corner stitch, wrap the needle, and pull it through. Now I've added stitches to the side of my work and can continue on just knitting in my garter stitch pattern. You can see there is a seam on this, so now I actually have a front side and a back side to my work, where normally a garter stitch piece of material is reversible. Now I'm just going to continue knitting on down the row for as long as your pattern calls for. You can see this makes a nice border in garter stitch going the opposite direction of your original work. And here's the back where you see the seam. And that's picking up stitches along the side of garter stitch. I hope you found this video helpful.